Okay, unboxing a Fitbit Charge 4. Been looking forward to this for a while. It has the Advanced Fitness Tracker GPS system. I think this was about 149 bucks. So you see here it has the built-in GPS Fitbit capability. So been looking forward to this. With the coronavirus going on, been doing a little bit of extra exercising, whether it be on Strava or Fitbit or iFit. But, you know, out walking in the neighborhood, out riding my bike, this is going to give me some extra data. Those that know me, I love data. And so here we go with the unboxing of the Fitbit. See how we have to do this here. Okay, here we go with the unboxing. Continued here. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. The new Fitbit. See what it's going to look like here. Looks a lot like my Charge 3, which is not bad. Charge 3 is, I don't know, year and a half, 2 years old. It seems like the light on here is a lot dimmer now, so looking forward to upgrading. You know, 150 bucks a year or every 2 years is not much to spend for your exercise capability there, so that's good. Let's see what we have here. Got an extra strap here. Imagine this is going to be the charger. Yep, looks a lot like the Fitbit 3. You're going to plug it into your USB port and charge it. Says it's going to last about 7 days. I believe it. That's about all that I, you know, tend to need to charge mine. About every 7 days, charge it. And it charges fast, you know, usually 15, 20 minutes, you're already at 80 or 90 degrees. So here we go. Looking forward to the Fitbit Charge 4 with the GPS system in it. So more after I charge it up. Okay, so yeah, you get both a medium and a larger wrist. So actually my wrist of my current Charge 3 is you know, a little smaller. I'm only weigh 170 pounds. Because I'm working on my weight. I'm 7 foot tall, weigh about 170, 172, 173, depending on what day it is. But, so yeah, my wrists are kind of small. But yeah, it's nice that they give you the two wristbands here. Okay, I got it plugged in here, beginning to charge a little bit. There's my charging station here next to my computer in my office. Had a nice little smiley face that just came on, and a few little things that let me know that it was charging. See if I can get them to come back on. There we go. There we go. And we're in the setup mode, that sort of thing. So go to Fitbit/setup. I guess that's what it's trying to tell me. But it's charging right now, so I will do that. And I guess I'll have to unconnect my Charge 3 and connect my Charge 4. So here we go. Looking forward to it. And here we are updating the software, updating my iPhone. And to set up a new one, you go to your Fitbit app, go to today, tap on your picture, and then tap set up a new device. In my case, I had to forget the Charge 3. Then choose the new device. I did have to turn off and on my Charge 4 by holding down this button while it is plugged up for at least 10 seconds. And it didn't pair at first, so I had to take this part and turn the Bluetooth back on and off again. So I had to fiddle with it a little bit to get it going, but it looks like it's syncing now and updating my software.